Hi, I'm Spencer from the Next ATM Tech Support team. Today I'm going to be showing you how to bootload a Genmega G2500 on an ACU 6 through 7 board. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn off the ATM, grab your SD card with the bootload information on there, put it in the SD card slot, go ahead, turn the ATM back on, let it boot up all the way, and you're done. That's all you got to do. Just pay attention to the screen, make sure everything's downloading properly. If you're wanting to do an update on your Genmega G2500, you'll need a USB stick with update information on it. And it's the same exact process as a bootload. You'll go ahead, turn the ATM off, plug the USB stick in, and turn the ATM back on. And that's it. If you don't have a USB stick to update the ATM, you can always do a remote update directly through the ATM. Let me show you by logging in. Go ahead and select OP, log in with your master password, select ATM OP, select System Setup, select Device Setup, select Application Update, then select Online Update to the latest version. That's everything you need to know about bootloading an ATM and the 2 ways to update the ATM. If you have any questions, you're always welcome to give our tech support team a call. We're happy to help out wherever we can, and thanks for watching. I kind of stuttered a couple times. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry guys, sorry. I feel like I was so good and now I've lost it.